guys, my name is Jessica DeLuise, founder of Eat Your Way to Wellness, and we are back with this week's FYI Wellness Tip. Is it tomato? Is it a vegetable? Is it fruit? Who cares? Today we're talking tomatoes. Tomatoes are best known for their antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene helps to clear cancer-causing free radicals from the body. Whether you're enjoying tomatoes in a fresh summer salad with corn and fresh herbs or cooked, they are delicious. I'm going to show you how to make a tomato jam with abundant tomatoes this summer. For more summer foods and recipes, check out 6abc.com. And for any follow-up questions, email me at jessica@eatyourwaytowellness.com. Happy summertime!